Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into the world of American muscle with a unique and underrated classic of the 1968 AMC Javelin. This car was AMC's bold answer to the muscle car craze of the late 1960s, and it packed plenty of style, performance, and personality. Let's take a closer look at this hidden gem. The 1968 AMC Javelin was introduced as a sporty, mid-sized muscle car with sleek and aggressive styling. Its long hood, fastback roofline, and bold grille gave it a distinctive and commanding presence on the road. Designed to stand out in a crowd of Camaros, Mustangs, and Challengers, the Javelin carved its own niche in the muscle car world. Under the hood, the Javelin offered a range of powerful engines to suit different drivers. The base model came with a 232 cubic inch inline-six, but the real excitement lay in the optional V8 engines, including the 290, 343, and 390 cubic inch power plants. The top-tier 390 V8 produced an impressive 315 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration and thrilling performance. Inside, the Javelin featured a driver-focused interior with bucket seats, a sporty dashboard, and optional performance-oriented features. It was designed to combine comfort with the excitement of a true muscle car experience. The 1968 AMC Javelin stood out not just for its performance but also for its reputation as a well-rounded and reliable muscle car. Though it didn't dominate the market like some of its rivals, it has earned a loyal following among enthusiasts for its unique design and underrated capabilities. Thank you for joining us today on Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. See you in the next video.